Good morning, leaders in learning. This morning I wanted to take you to MackinVia because I know right now we're asking you to do a daily reading log, and some of you have books at home, some of you don't. Some of you may be going to the library if they're open, some of you may not be. So we wanted to remind you that you have a library at your fingertips on the computer. So I don't know if you can see, you should be able to see, but I am on our Dolphin Pride webpage. And right here you can see where I've bookmarked it, so I just clicked on that. And here we have MackinVia. So you'll click on MackinVia and it will take you to this website. If it doesn't already recognize Devers Elementary here, you would click that, but my computer has saved it. I'm going to tell it I want to log in. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. That will recognize you as a Devers me as an employee, you as a student. If not, there is a password you can use, and that is military if that has not changed. But sign in with your Google account. I'm picking my Google account with Dodea, and it's opening for me. In here there is a plethora, that means a ton of resources that you can use. You can view the books we have available at the library, but that's if you're going to check them out, and right now we're not doing that yet. So you can also click over here on the left. There's all these resource tabs. So let's say I want to read a book, but I'm not going to the library to check it out. I'll go to ebooks. Inside my ebooks, I can look at the title, the picture, the cover, see what interests me, and I can tell it I want to open. And here we have it, okay? The tabs at the bottom will walk you through the book, make the font bigger, all those kinds of things. Now, if you really like that book and you want to read it again, you can add it to your favorites by clicking here, and that way you'll be able to find it quicker to reread it. Also, if you notice, there's audiobooks. I think there's just one. This is the only one that's popping up for now, but that one's a listen book. There's videos. There's links to outside resources, book flicks, something else I saw in here, Khan Academy. If you're struggling with something that we're teaching you, Khan Academy will kind of teach it to you again, so you can practice. National Geographic is always kind of fun. There's science flicks. So there's all kinds of videos that you can watch over here. You can go to categories and you can say, oh, I want to read about animals, art, music, whatever it is you're interested in. Or if we're doing a project, you may come here because we asked you to write a report about your favorite person. I'm giving you an example. So you may go to biographies and search for that person's name. So there's just a lot of stuff here. Also on the home tab, I thought this was kind of cool. It gives you the newest resources, the highest rated, so like people's favorites. You've got the top resources, so the things that may be, available. There's STEAM, Unsolved Mysteries, and then there's Dogo News. So if you want to read about things that are happening in the world right now that are science related or news related, you can go there. So again, another great place to go if you're like, oh wow, I like Beyonce or Ben Simmons. You can choose those to read. So we just wanted to kind of give you a quick introduction to MackinVia for those who may not have used it much before. Remember, look at your tabs, because here is where you'll be able to find ways to find specific things. Home, giving you the newest and trending. If you watch Netflix, they kind of do that on your Netflix screen. All resources that are available, ebooks for books that you could pull online and read, databases, audiobooks, videos, and links. Okay? And if you can't remember what's where, just explore. That's the fun part of having a new resource. You can kind of explore things and see where you find the things you like the most. Remember, we got to this by going to our Dolphin Pride website that I asked everyone, and Ms. Corbin asked everyone to bookmark, and then just clicking MackinVia, log in with your student Google account, and it should open. All right, my friends, see you guys in just a little bit. Happy Friday!